In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to move your files into folders in Google Sheets so everything stays organized and easy to find. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. First, open the Google Sheet that you want to move. Make sure you're inside the file so you can access all the options easily. Now, look at the top left corner next to the file name. You'll see a small folder icon. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a window showing all your folders from Google Drive. Think of this as your file manager where you choose the new location. Scroll through and find the folder where you want your sheet to go. Once you find it, click on that folder so it gets selected. Now, click the Move button and your file will instantly be moved into that folder. If you don't have a folder yet, you can create one right here. Just click the New Folder option, give it a name and select it as your destination. And that's it. Your Google Sheets file is now neatly organized inside the folder you chose, making it much easier to manage your work. If this helped you, give it a like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more quick and practical tutorials.